All right, guys, you see it. We got a Tesla Cybertruck in here. Came to us for our preferred amount of protection. We wrapped the entire car in SunTek Ultra Matte because the client wanted to maintain the stainless steel look while not having fingerprint transfers all over his car. So what we did is we coated the Ultra Matte film in Modesta BC-06, which is a matte coating designed for matte film. We coated the trim in EPC, exterior plastic coating, to keep the trim looking nice on this car and keep it from fading. The wheels are coated in Modesta BC-06 and BC-06 TC. These two coatings combined on this matte finish wheel will keep the matte finish matte while it gets dirty, and also keeps the matte finish from staining. All this protection on this vehicle is not only going to keep it looking brand new, but it's going to make it easy to maintain. As you guys are going to see a little B-roll, we're going to be washing this bad boy. She's got bugs in the front, but you can see that they're just kind of coming off because it's coated. And she looks awesome. Kind of kept the stainless steel look while protecting that stainless steel.